Hey, it's me, Aline Pilani. In this video, I will talk about how to structure your diet and the perfect scenario for you to follow so that in 30 days to lose up to 22 pounds. But before we continue, I want to thank you for all the likes, shares, and comments I received for my previous videos. Now, let's look at how to structure your diet so that you can lose up to 22 pounds in the next 30 days. And what I will share with you is a formula that I tested on over 1,000 of my private clients, and it works every single time. How you eat is very important if you want to lose weight fast. And if you are active and you exercise, but somehow you don't see results, it is because you are not structuring your diet the right way. Go for 1,300 calories per day and split them using this formula. 45% proteins, 35% from carbohydrates, 20% from fat. In other words, you'll consume around 146 grams of protein, the equivalent of 585 calories, 113 grams of carbohydrates, the equivalent of 455 calories, and 29 grams of fat, the equivalent of 260 calories. Creating such an exact meal plan would be quite difficult, and to get these great results, you should follow this formula precisely. So that's why I created the Morning Fat Melter meal plan for you, to exclude any guesswork from your part. All you have to do is weigh everything and prepare your meals. A very important aspect to make our plan work is to have a cheat day every 7 days. This meaning that every 7 days you'll consume double your carbs. It is the day you can indulge yourself and eat all the foods you love the most, like pizza, chocolate, or pasta. And even though you might think that this is crazy, after years of experimenting and seeing what works in weight loss, I found that having a cheat day every 7 days will keep your metabolism fast and your leptin levels high. So please follow this tip. So, now that you know exactly what to eat and how to structure your diet for the next 30 days, I want to walk you through the perfect scenario for you to follow to lose up to 22 pounds in the next 30 days. You can even close your eyes and imagine yourself doing it. You wake up filled with energy, you drink a big glass of lemon water and a cup of coffee with low-fat milk. You feel great, and then you do your morning workout. After the morning workout, you drink the protein shake and take a shower. You already feel how all your clothes fit you better. Then, you start your day and eat 5 more meals according to the Morning Fat Melter meal plan. Since the last meal is around 7 p.m. and it is low on carbs, your body will need calories to function during the night. But since for your body, it's simply easier to burn fat from your belly instead of transforming your last protein meal into glucose, all night long, your body will use your fat deposits. And since the meal plan I created for you will keep your blood sugar in the fat loss zone, your body will be burning fat up to 20 hours per day. Basically, that's all you have to do. Follow the meal plan precisely, do the morning workouts with me each morning, drink 3 to 4 liters of water per day, and sleep 7 to 8 hours per night. You'll lose 14 to 22 pounds in the first 30 days and even more. Are you ready? I want to hear a big yes from you. If you are ready to change your body and really be your best, I have another great video for you. A video in which I will share how some of my private clients managed to lose up to 100 pounds in just 6 months, just by following the same simple plan. In fact, I will also share a secret technique that will make your body burn up to 1 pound of stored body fat every single night. So just click the link below to watch my next video. See you on the next page.